Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes. See, children, today we are going to start new chapter 7, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, editing and formatting. I know, children, that you all are already familiar about Microsoft PowerPoint. So, just tell me, what is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a application software, okay, which is used for creating presentation. And what is a presentation? Presentation, it is a collection of related slides, okay, having contents in the form of text, images, videos, animations, etc. Okay, children, so these presentations, how they are created? They are created in the form of slides. Okay, so in today's class, we are going to discuss 4 important topics. They are inserting text, editing text, then moving, copying and deleting the text, and last one is text formatting. Okay, children, so let us start from the first topic, how to insert the text. So let me open my PowerPoint. So just see, here is the PowerPoint. Okay, see, children, PowerPoint provides you a text tool. Now what is a text tool? A text tool is that tool which can be used to create some additional text placeholders on the slide. Okay, now how it is done, just see. For example, this is my slide. Okay, now I want to add text. Okay, so what I will do, first I have to select one placeholder. So we will go to insert tab and here is the text group. Okay, insert tab, text group, just see on the screen very carefully. And here is the text box. So I'm just selecting this text box. Okay, then just drag the mouse pointer on the slide where you want to add the text. Okay, so in this way you can start writing here Carmel. So can you see this blinking cursor? It is a insertion point. Okay, so in this way we can write text by selecting the text box. Okay, children. Now the next topic is editing the text. How you will going to edit the text? So let me select the slide. See, these are the two placeholders. Okay, can you see these two rectangular boxes? They are placeholders. Okay, where you can insert your text. So if you want to edit these texts, for example, I am editing this my school name. Okay, so in this way you can edit the text. Click here on the slide, the placeholder will disappear. Okay, understood? So in this way you can edit the text. Now the next topic is moving the text, copying the text and deleting the text. So just look here on the same slide. If I want to move the text, move means you have to cut and then you have to paste it on the new location. Okay, so here I am just select the text first, then go to home tab and just see in the clipboard group you can see cut, copy and paste options are there. Okay, either you can click from here or you can just select the text, right click on it, then click on cut. Here I am just clicking on cut and then select the new location or new placeholder. Okay, right click with the help of mouse and then paste. Okay, understood? So in this way you have moved the text, okay, from one location to another location. Okay, then how to copy the text? Just see, here it is written my school name. Okay, just right click with the help of mouse, click on copy and then select the new location and then paste. Okay, so in this way we are going to copy the text. Now if you want to delete the text, simply select the text, Okay, either you can use backspace or delete. If you want to delete the placeholder also, then just just select the placeholder and then delete. Okay, in this way you can delete like this. Okay, if you want to delete the placeholder also. Now the last topic is text formatting. See children, like in Microsoft Word, several components, several features are there. Similarly in PowerPoint also we have some formatting features, okay, which make the text very attractive. Okay, so just look here on the screen. What are the features? Just see formatting features. Okay, so let me select the slide. Okay, then just see, go to home and then first select the text. Then just see, here is the font group. From here you can change the font size. Just see font size. Okay, it is increasing, decreasing. Okay, you can select the font size. Okay, then if you want to bold it, just bold. If you want to italic it, just click on italic. If you want to underline, click on underline. Okay, so in this way you can change the size, you can bold, italic and underline the text. Okay, then shadow. Here is the shadow in the font group only. Shadow means which adds shadow effect to the selected text like this. Okay, then we have font color. If you want to change the font color, just select the text and you can change the font color like this. Okay, and you can see these two triangular buttons. This means if you want to increase the font size, you can click, or if you want to decrease the size, you can decrease like this. So these are increase or decrease font size. Okay children, I hope all these topics are clear to you. Next topic we will discuss in the next class. Till that time, take care. Thank you and God bless you.